There is so much happening in the crypto world right now. Some are launching new currencies while some convert their whole operation design. Then there are some all set to launch something completely new. In today's video, we are showing you the launch of the NFT store by Yahoo, and this is super exciting. But as you already know, before we begin with our video, have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then what are you waiting for? So hurry up and smash the subscribe button now, and while you're at it, hit the bell icon to never miss out on any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. NFTs are in trend, and no one would have ever thought that the Yahoo organization would be dealing with this now. This is a win-win approach to get success ahead. But how? Well, nowadays everyone is aware of Porto, right? So what exactly is it? Well, Porto is the developer of the blockchain block. Surprisingly, the main aim of Porto is to make crypto trading simple for blockchain users and their development so that there is an ease in development and business transactions. So recently, the company announced that it would be partnering up with Yahoo in Taiwan. But the reason for this is that they would be launching an NFT store together. So when will the store be launched? Well, the store will be launched probably by late March. So does another question arise, when can we expect the store to have some solid info? Well, it is by mid-April because we know how many delays these things take. So how is this partnership going to work? First, the Blocto blockchain would serve as the wallet for this NFT store. Now, Yahoo Taiwan would approve and curate the NFT creators for the store. So the company's focus is to ensure that there are enough tokens to be traded and their quality is also good. So, we can see that logistics are being taken care of by Yahoo Taiwan, and Blocto is overseeing the finance and payment part. Now the thing is, the NFT store will give out its first ever NFT of the official mascot of Yahoo Taiwan, and yes, we are talking about Yahoo. Now there are a lot of objectives that the companies have set for the store. One of the best ones is to include a fiat money gateway. Now comes fiat money, and what is fiat money? All the money in the world is usually backed up by gold or silver in the government reserves. But fiat money is not backed up by any such thing, but is made legal by the government through some degree of law. So they currently plan to introduce the fiat money gateway where payment by credit card will be available. In the future, the company aims to have more fiat gateways. It seems that they really want to have cash in that fiat money. This is a clever move. A lot of people who own fiat money don't know what to do with it. There are very few firms that actually accept fiat money. So this gives them a really good and strong option to invest in NFTs from this store. So they will see a steady buying and selling of the consumers with loads of fiat money. The next thing they are focusing on is that they want the NFTs to be affordable. Right now we are seeing that good NFTs are being rated for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some even touch millions. So the company wants to make NFT trading possible for even the middle income group. Now they cannot afford to buy an item with hundreds of thousands of dollars in one go, so the options for NFT are very limited to them. So if this store successfully provides NFT at a cheap cost, this would make the middle income group new investors really into the NFTs of the store. So they would see a steady demand from this group. Also, rookies would always aim to first start with low-cost NFTs to reduce possible losses in the future. They basically want to remove all the technical hindrances from trading in NFTs that exist in the market. They want it to be as simple and user-friendly as online shopping. This would add an older age group market or the product. What do you think about the store guts? Do you think the NFTs in this store would be a hit? Have you thought of buying the NFTs from this store? Will their NFTs be really cheap? Or is it just some cheap way to attract users? What are your thoughts on the blockchain Blocto? Did Yahoo Taiwan make the correct decision by collaborating with this company? Or should it have done so with some other company? Let us know all about it in the comments down below. With that, we are ending today's video. Do not forget to share your views and opinions in the comments below, and until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any updates. We will see you soon. Bye!